Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a cute Jumbo Josh from the Garten of BANBAN. It's going to be like a more cute version of him. So let's get started, okay? Follow all the way through. Very short lesson, and by the very end you'll know how to do this. So stick around to the end. I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to start with a curve over here for the head. Okay, side of the head. Going to curve for the top. Over here, go over here in this area, curve on the side, in, down. So far so good, and that head is a really big deal, right? Because it's gonna dictate everything else. So let's go over here now. Let me see. Curve down over here for the side of the body. Go over here on this side, about this level. Same thing, but side of the body. Curve underneath. Curve underneath. Pulling up. Right there. He's got like little bitty legs, and that's not going to change pretty much. It's just going to be a little bit more round. He's going to look a little bit more like a gingerbread cookie in this version. Curve up. Don't forget to like. If you like the Garten of BANBAN, hit the like button. It's going to help a lot. And then share the video somewhere, Facebook, anywhere. Line underneath here for the lower portion of his body there. Alright. Let's find his arm. His arm is always going to be a little bit bigger, so I'm going to start maybe right there, this point, and I'm going to pull out over here, curve down, up. So his hand's pretty much on the floor. Curve over here upward. Alright. So far so good. Gonna start over here on this side. Down. Curve up. Alright. Gonna go over here the same thing. Curve out over here. If you like learning how to draw cute, there's a free ebook, basically. The ebook is something I used to charge for. It is learning how to draw anything cute. So you can take like a character you like already, cutify it, because cute is all about measurements, and it's all about proportions, like how big and you make something next to how small you make something, like how big you make the eyes versus the mouth versus the head, and it's like 90% the same stuff throughout Chibi. And that used to be something I sold, and it was doing pretty well. But I decided to make it 100% free for anybody on this channel, so go and look at that. Go take a look at that. Go download that. It's very simple. It's just an ebook. It's easy to print out as well. I made it. I designed it to print out. So go take a look at that. So this body right off the bat, you can tell it's different proportions from regular Jumbo Josh, and that's kind of what I wanted to do. So just something to kind of take into account. So we're going to go over here and we're going to throw a line over here for his mouth. So line across. Curve down here. Underneath. Pull up. Right on. Going to go over here on this side. And we're going to start drawing the teeth. And they're just U shapes. That's pretty similar to regular Jumbo Josh, these big old tooth shapes that he has. We're making them I think proportion, I'm making them a little bit bigger to emphasize that cute sort of thing. And over here on this side now, the bottom, some kind of a gravestone shape. Like there. And in between this, we're going to fill this out. Right here. Filling it in. don't forget to say, hey, what's up in the comments section, so I know that you're there. You know, when you guys interact, it's a big deal. When you guys say, hey, what's up, it's a big deal. So I will reply to every single what's up, how's it going? You know, every single one I'll reply to it. So test me, like write it here, write it in an old video, and you know, I will totally do it. Let's go over here now. Line underneath for kind of the just kind of, again, like curvature of the mouth area. And there's something you can do. You can either draw his regular eyes or kind of draw like the hee-hee eyes. But I guess I'm gonna do that. It's gonna look like Tokidoki, honestly. So curve right here, curve right here, kind of like hee-hee eyes. But we're gonna have the rest of the circle here. So curve right there. If you have any other type of requests for Jumbo, like anything carton of BANBAN, let me know in the comments. Maybe I could draw other characters, cute, or whatever it is that you guys want. Curve right there. And then I'm gonna do the same on the inner. There you go. Line right there. And line right there. Make it a little bit bigger. So let's draw the highlights. So line right here, up, the triangle, line right here, up. And now I'm gonna fill this in. Let's fill it in here. I could leave that little edge right there and it makes it look a little bit more character. See, it's like a double highlight. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to fill in this area here. Sorry, I got a little bit of a sore throat. Nothing crazy. I don't think I'm sick or anything, but I don't know. It's a little bit annoying to have the sore throat as I'm talking here. I'm trying to project my voice, and it's kind of hard to do that. So let's draw a little bit more of a curve right here where the head connects. Just a little bit of like folds, you know. Then I make them a little bit more huggable. Right there. Line right here. Line right here. Just gonna show the edges. Maybe a line around the corner here. Like so. Line right here. Lastly, if you really want, you can draw a little bit of a circle right there for the cheeks to give them that kind of like cute rosy cheeks. But I want you to stick around and draw another lesson with me, okay? So stick around. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.